previous visits, we've looked at yellow pitcher plants and also the parrot pitcher plant. Today we'd like to look at a third species, Sarracenia Rubra, or sweet pitcher plant. And it's thought that one reason it's gotten the name sweet pitcher plant is the fragrance of the flowers in the springtime. As compared with the yellow pitcher plant, you'll see a relatively broader neck behind the hood on the pitchers. And of course, the coloration is quite different, much more of a reddish to cherry red color. Although to complicate things, there's a lot of variation in these pitchers, even within species. And on top of that, there's a lot of hybridization that goes on out here. And we'd like to take a look at the flowers next spring, which you can see the remnants of here today, to really confirm that we're looking at the Sarracenia Rubra and not a hybrid between the yellow pitcher and the sweet pitcher plant. So I will not be moving from this spot until April so that I can be here when they start flowering. So I'll be the first to know and you'll be the second to know. It's been a long winter and a long spring. I've been rained on and I've been attacked by animals. But we finally have answers. This is Sarracenia Rubra, sweet pitcher plant. The flowers and the pitcher itself makes that really clear. And there's one other ID feature that we didn't talk about previously, and that is that the sweet pitcher plant does have a very subtle but a sweet fragrance. You have to really concentrate a little bit, but it's there. As compared with Sarracenia Flava, the yellow pitcher plant, which has a musty odor in its flower, and the parrot pitcher plant, which doesn't really have a fragrance. So the sweet pitcher plant, not as common as the other two that we've talked about, but it's still out here in the forest. And with a little luck in these Pocosin areas, you might run into it, a beautiful little pitcher plant. For additional information on identifying pitcher plants, be sure to look online for Pitcher Perfect, Identifying Pitcher Plants in North Carolina by Mary Samuels and Alexander Krings. For more information, contact your North Carolina Cooperative Extension Office.